I am a small animal with soft fur and whiskers. Cats come in many shapes, sizes, and colors, but they all have soft fur and long whiskers that help them feel around their surroundings. I am a creature who loves to nap for many hours a day. Cats sleep a lot, sometimes up to 16 hours a day. They need this rest to recharge their energy. I am known for making a purring sound when I feel happy. When cats are happy or relaxed, they purr. This sound is like a little motor running in their chest. I am an excellent jumper and can leap very high. Cats can jump up to 6 times their body length. This helps them climb and explore high places. I am a curious animal who loves to explore new places. Cats are naturally curious. They love checking out boxes, cupboards, and anything new in their home. I am a pet who likes to chase toys like balls and strings. Playing is one of a cat's favorite activities. They especially love chasing strings or laser pointers. I am a hunter with sharp claws that help me catch mice. Cats are skilled hunters. Even house cats have instincts to catch mice or bugs. I am a friend who loves to cuddle when I trust someone. When a cat feels safe and loved, they enjoy curling up next to their favorite people. I am a playful animal who can climb trees with ease. Cats use their sharp claws and strong legs to climb trees. It's one of their natural talents. I am a family member who brings joy and love to my home. Cats are more than pets, they are part of the family. Their playful and loving nature makes everyone smile.